Welcome back, dear students. In the previous video, we had discussed about meaning of commercial paper, what are the various features of commercial paper, and various types of commercial paper. Now, moving in the same direction, we are going to discuss who can participate in the commercial paper market. The issues are all private sector companies, public sector companies, and investors who can issue the commercial paper and who can invest individuals, commercial banks, body corporate, NRIs, so they can participate in the commercial market. In the next slide, commercial papers in India. So जो first commercial paper इंडिया में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, that will introduced in uh, Indian money market 27th March 1989. There is a need to have a limited introduction of commercial paper. Initially जो commercial paper market है उसने ग्रोथ करना शुरू किया था जो कोई भी कंपनी whose net worth is not less than 4 crore, that company is eligible for making issuing commercial papers in India. Commercial paper market sound function within the overall discipline of cash. RBI would have to administer all the entry in the market. What is the issue price? How much quantum they can issue in a year? So all the terms and condition governed by RBI. Then no restrictions be placed on the participant in the commercial paper market except the minimum size of the note. Anyone who is eligible in under the preview of Company Act or under the preview of RBI's guideline, they are eligible to issue commercial paper market unless until there is a restrictions on minimum size of the commercial paper. Then commercial paper should be exclusive from the unsecured advances in the case of bank. इनको इग्नोर किया जाता है. Then in the next slide, what is the procedure and time frame for issue of commercial paper? अब जब भी कमर्शियल पेपर इशू किए जाएंगे एप्लीकेशन टू आरबीआई थ्रू बैंक होगी. आरबीआई इन राइटिंग कम्युनिकेट करेगा डिसीजन रिगार्डिंग दिस बैंक इज एलिजिबल टू इशू कमर्शियल पेपर ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. अब जब भी जो अप्रूवल दी जाएगी दैट मस्ट बी गिवन विद इन 2 weeks for the issue of the commercial paper, issuing company to advise through a bank amount of actual issue commercial paper within the completion of the issue. जब completion issue हो जाएगा तो उसके 3 दिन के अंदर अंदर commercial paper को issue किया जाएगा. Then what is the implication of commercial paper for borrowers? अब जो borrower हैं they can get at least 20% of working capital from market increase advance from bank interest. अब क्रिसल है रिटर्न इन्वेस्ट होगी. कमर्शियल पेपर बैंक फाइनेंस के आउटसाइड भी दिया जा सकता है. जो मेन एम है आरबीआई का टू इंश्योर कमर्शियल पेपर अ साउंड मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. देन बैंक के ऊपर क्या इम्प्लीकेशन है? बैंक themselves can invest in commercial paper and show this as a short term investment. Then moving further, what is the maturity and rate of return? जो मेच्योरिटी है इसकी 3 up to 1 year तक होती है. दे कैन बी इशूड एट ए डिस्काउंट, मेच्योर एट पार. So they are having all the features just like treasury bills. Only the difference between treasury bill and commercial paper is the issuing authority. Treasury bills are issued by government agencies, whereas commercial paper issued by body corporate or other public companies. Then in the next slide, what are the advantages of commercial papers? First advantage, its simplicity. It's easy to use and simple. So less documentation is required in case of issuer and investor. More flexible commercial paper is having uh, cash flow need according to the company's requirement, and diversification is there. So well reputed companies, high credit worthiness companies, they are having short-term duration or they want to cheaper source of the finance from the market, then they can easily diversify their requirement according to this particular situation. Then in continuation of the previous advantages, high return in banking sector, investor can get higher return on the commercial papers. The funds generation can be easily there, so you have sufficient amount to generate uh, in case of commercial paper. So movement of cash deficit to from surplus to deficit can be easily made easy to raise long term capital. So commercial paper के द्वारा no doubt be arrange money for shorter duration, but that will create a base or favorable position for arranging long term capital as and when required time to time in the business. Then in the last, I hope so things clear to you. So thank you for watching the video. In the last, if you like the video, then press like button and subscribe my channel for further notification, and these like videos in the future also, so that your knowledge can be increased. Till then, enjoy and have a happy learning. Thank you.